That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ganyan ang Pinoy!
Ang Pilipino, magiliw sa panauhin.
Isang paalala mula sa MX3, naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
MX3, tunay, natural at original.
Manila, get ready. Don't miss Music Travel Love. Sunday, June 28th, New Frontier Theater, Quezon City, Manila. Tickets available at Ticketnet outlets or log on to ticketnet.com.ph or call 911-5555. A night full of nostalgic love songs. Music Travel Love Philippine Tour is presented by Concert Republic.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix.
Ako po si Rodel ng Pampanga. Sekreto ko kung bakit mukhang bumata at pumuti ako. Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Dahil may collagen at glutathione nito. Kaya subukan niyo na rin.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Nagkape ka na, lalakas at gaganda ka pa. Mabilis ang ka.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RMN.